Alright, anytime I go in Sam's Club, when they have these wipers on sale, I usually buy them, but they don't always have this application book out. And I'm going to show you here how easy it is to find the wipers you need for your vehicle. But here I'm just verifying. I'm looking at a 97 Toyota Avalon. It's 21 and 19. But I'm going to show you the apps. You can either do it on the website or text. And right there you can see you can scan the code. And like I said, when they're on sale, I usually buy a couple for all the vehicles. So here's the online apps. Okay, so first, I'm on the website at Sam's. All the information's on there about the wipers. The first one we'll do here will be the text. So get your cell phone here. I'm going to screenshot it. I'm going to text 73250 and text plus. Then it's going to ask me what year. So I'm going to put in 1997 Toyota. Pretty simple. Hit OK. Then it's going to ask me for the model. I'm going to type in Avalon. And then it's going to tell me 21 for the driver's side and 19 for the passengers, just like the book said. Then it asks me, do you want to send a link, show me how to install it? Yes or no? I'll hit yes, and then boom, there's a YouTube video link that pops up, or actually it's on their website, embed it in there from YouTube. The other option is this QR code. Take a picture of it with your phone, boom, it pops up whatever browser you use on your phone. Click on add a vehicle. First going to accept the cookies. Add the vehicle. It's going to be a car. Select the year. 1997 Toyota Avalon XLS. Search. There it is. Boom. 21 inch and a 19 inch. And then if you're not sure of the model, you can try the XL. Usually they don't change, but they're 21, 19. Same wipers. So it's pretty simple, and when they're on doorbusters, usually in the fall, I usually pick these up. They're usually $5, $6, $7 a piece for these wipers. But yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you. It's pretty simple. To keep the app, even if you're in Walmart, you could text the code, get the size of your wipers. All right, thanks for watching.
Wiper blades are one of those things you don't really think about until suddenly they're all you're thinking about. Peak Silicone Plus premium hybrid wiper blades with infused water repellent technology, so water just beads away. Further ensuring a clean wipe is the blade's hybrid design, which features a spoiler that provides downforce for full windshield contact. What more could you want from a wiper blade? An easy snap universal connector system for quick and easy installation, and blades available in lengths of 13 to 28 inches? Done. Peak Silicone Plus wiper blades. Performance you can see.